RIME stock analysis Monday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. So Algorhythm Holdings stock has been sitting at 0.07. It's like 3.3% up. So where are we heading next? Short answer for me, this doesn't look good. Before I get into the more details, I have done 32,000 videos and I've spent thousands of dollars on course cement strips, and as a result the strategy has delivered thousands of great predictions. So with RIME, although it's like 3.32% up, I specifically am looking to do what? Take it down. I mean, in theory, this is a bearish range right now, and if the price, I'm only going to be bullish in this market if the price starts going above 10 cents, but we're not there yet. So if I see it going up inside my supply area and then it gives me a double break, then and only then this is something that I will short. So let me know what is your opinion on RIME. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, just click the first link in the description and I'll see you in the next one.